What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy D, Scatzilla _392, and I'm back with another video. You know I like to bring y'all this tech, cars, and I'm trying to keep my channel consistent. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, share, and drop a comment. And make sure you share this video so these videos can get around and help me get my content flowing around a little bit better. I really appreciate that, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm back with another little quick, video unboxing of this officejet 80 2020, and I've been needing to get a printer. So this is all-in-one. This is all-in-one printer. It works with Google. It works with AirPlay. It's Bluetooth. It works with Alexa, and it has all the latest and the greatest tech that's in here. So let me see if I can turn this around so y'all can get a little glimpse of it. Really see what's going on with this thing. I picked it up earlier. From Sam's, and they had them on sale. It was going for a good price. So I was like, why not? Why not? I need one anyways. So, you can't do nothing without a printer. You download the smart app, and everything will work good. So let me see if I can at least take it out for y'all so y'all can see it. You get tired sometimes. You get tired of just like going to the library, and so here's the books, the little pamphlet, the little instructions, and all that. So let's see if we can do this. See if we can do this way. Maybe this will be a little bit better. Maybe y'all can see. So it does come with the cartridge. The ink. So this comes in a box. It looked like it comes with 4 of them total. A total of 4. So that's that. Let's see what else we got in this box. Let's see. Yeah, I'm kind of excited, y'all. Every time I buy something that I really need, it's like, I feel like a kid in a candy store. For some stuff you just need, and you find yourself sometime like what I was doing. Every time I'm like, why haven't I bought a printer, And sometimes you just find yourself doing stuff and it don't, I'm always busy, always running around, and things just don't work right. You try to go up to the local place, to have a printer or one of these offices that you can use, library or, one of these little public facilities, and somebody be using the computers early in the morning, and things just don't work right. And that is so annoying. Oh my God. So yeah, so anyways, this is it right here. This is it right here. This is the beautiful thing that I got. And this is a little touch panel. This is a little touch panel right here. They had other like printers that was like comparable, like Brothers and a couple of more, but I'm not really familiar with those brands. So I just decided to go with what I know. And I think we all would probably choose a HP because it's a known brand. But yeah, and this is an all-in-one. You know, it's print, copy, scan, fax, whatever. It's everything. So you get the whole package. That's pretty much everything in the box. Here's the cord. So that's it, you know. So I'm gonna be testing this bad boy out over the few days. I'm glad that it works good with Apple. You know, while I'm doing my setup, you know what I'm saying? Everything is, you know, I got my new MacBook, so it all should work well. But yeah, so I just wanted to drop that for y'all. You know any tech people, anybody that these videos can be helpful for, please guys, make sure you share these videos. You share these videos, it'll help my YouTube grow even more. I really appreciate the support. You know, and just stay tuned. You know, the videos gonna keep coming. You know, I'm a tech car guy, so you know I'm gonna keep bringing these videos as frequently as possible. You know, still trying to get used to these videos and you know, future upgrades to the whip. You know, shout out to all my Hellcat people out there, all my people that's rocking with the Dodges, the Scat Packs and all that. You know, and much love though. You know, and to then, I'm gone. What's going on, YouTube? This your boy D Scatzilla _ 392. Back with another video. This is actually a part 2 because I did an unboxing, so I just wanted to kind of go over how this whole setup right here is. Like when you first get it started, I first set it up, you go through a little basic menu, and it's real simple. This right here tilts, it goes down and it goes up. So you want to make sure when you plug it up and everything like that, you want to make sure that it's the first thing you do. And then the second thing you do is you lift this up. And when you lift this up like that, this right here, this is some type of little safety thing. You remove the safety thing like so. You see? You remove it. And just slides right up and out the way. And then the second thing you want to do, I kind of already did this, but I just want to go over a video so you guys can, you get 4 cartridges and they're all color coded. And if you see, like in the inside right here, they're all color coded. And if you look on the top of the cartridge, you'll see the different letters. Like this is C. So make sure when you install it, make sure it goes in the right slot that it's supposed to go in. So for example, this is K, so this will be your black ink. And make sure the letter is facing you. That's how you know you installed it properly. So when you put it in, you're gonna put it in like this. And when you hear it click, that's how you know you have it, the cartridge properly seated in. I'm gonna do one more for you guys so you guys can see. And this is C. I'm installing C right now. That's C. So C is installed. Some of them may not make the little clicking sound or whatever, but that's fine. And then when you first open them, they're like this. They're brand new when you first open them. So you take this little part right here and you twist it. And once you twist it, this is the bottom of the ink. This is the part that will be going face down. This is M. So with M, same thing, like all the rest of them. You make sure M is properly in its seat, and boom. And we have one more. So I just want to want to show you guys like all of them, like while they're installed. It's real easy setup. And this is Y. This is Y. So the same thing with Y. So you're gonna make sure with Y, make sure all the letters are facing you. That's how you know. And make sure the bottom of the contact, once you put it in, the bottom of this contact right here is connected to the other 3 little pins. So that's all 4 of them installed properly. And make sure you guys look at this video, like, comment, share. Make sure you turn on your notification bells. And make sure you share this video, you guys. Until then, your boy's out.